welcome back. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a minute. I've been pretty busy for the past week with my restaurant. Alright, so I've been having issues with my PC and for some reason it wouldn't turn on. So I went ahead and removed the graphics card, see if that was the issue. As you can see right here. And I'm still having the same issue where it's not powering on. So I'll go ahead and press the power button. All right, it just turns off after a few seconds. I'm not sure what's wrong. Just powers on again. And then nothing happens on the screen. Just a black screen. I'm not sure if the motherboard is fried. I'm not sure if it's the power supply. My new power supply that I got, 600 watts. And we'll see what happens. Hopefully that'll solve the issue, I'm not sure. But I'm just gonna give it a try and see. All right, so what I have here is an EVGA 600 watt bronze power supply. It's also semi-modular. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and go ahead and start installing it. All right, so first thing you see is the user guide. All right, all the cables. So just connect the ones that you need. And you got your power supply right here. All right, you got some screws. Some cable management ties right here, straps or whatever. I like how it's sleeved. It's actually good quality. Nice sleeving on this. Just take this bubble wrap off. Got your power cable port here, on-off switch. And got your SATA ports back here. All right, first thing I did was power off the PC. Go ahead and unplug the power cable from the back. And I'm just going to quickly remove this. I'm not going to waste too much time on that. Okay, it just took me a few minutes. I went ahead and took out the old power supply. And went ahead and put in the new one. All right, all I have to do is just go ahead and plug in the cables for it and try to power it on, see what happens. Just give me a few minutes for that. Okay, so I went ahead, it just took me a few minutes to install the new power supply. Hopefully all the cables are in that are needed. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to power it on, see what happens. All right, same BS happened. Just turns on and off. I'm not sure what's going on. I mean, if anyone in the comment section can tell me, I would love your help. So please let me know what's going on. Thanks for watching. Actually, I spoke too soon. Turned on. Don't know what that was about, turning on and off, but it's on right now, and it's working, posted. All right, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is install the drivers for the graphics card first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install the graphics card and see what happens then. All right, guys, so to be able to download the drivers, you have to first go ahead and install your graphics card first, and plug your HDMI cable into the graphics card. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to install it. Okay, you went ahead and download NVIDIA GeForce Experience. It'll go ahead and tell you to continue to install the latest driver. Download, show you the latest one. Let's give that a minute. All right, graphics card's installed, driver's installed. As you can see, I'm playing CSGO now. And let's see. Let's check out the frames per second. As you can see, we're already doing wonders. Wow. CPU usage way lower than before. Frames per second much higher than before. Completely different. This is just on CSGO. I'm gonna go ahead and try out some other games too and see how that works. I'll probably get you guys better benchmark videos soon. This is just, you know, something to show you guys the difference between not having a graphics card and having one. In conclusion, guys, this was a great experience, a great learning curve. One piece of advice from me, from what I learned, is don't go cheap on your power supply, especially if you're installing a graphics card or anything else in your PC. Just get at least 600 watts just to be safe. All right, and hopefully my next video will be a better benchmarks video for you guys. See how it performs. I'm excited to do that. Play some Call of Duty, Fortnite, whatever, you know. All right. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys.